With EUCON 2019-5, the Pro Tools Control app for iPad receives a significant upgrade with the addition of a dedicated S6-style monitoring page, offering users the ability to select sources, toggle speaker sets, engage fold-downs, and more. The monitoring page supports hardware devices from Avid, including Pro Tools Matrix and XMON. It also supports other EUCON-enabled DAWs, which include built-in control room functionality, like Pyramix의 and Nuendo. And when nested into the Pro Tools dock, you've got a uniquely powerful tactile monitor controller. For this overview, we'll be focusing on controlling Pro Tools Matrix by loading a monitor profile into ProMon, the monitoring environment defined within the DADMAN application. The monitor profile we're working with consists of several sources of varying widths and I/O formats. The top row of the interface includes 8 source buttons, which can operate in either a summing or a switching mode. As we can see, PT-HDX is a 10-channel path connected via DigiLink. DVS Mac Pro provides us a way to monitor any audio streams from the Mac via Dante Virtual Sound Card. We've even got the Dolby RMU connected via MADI, allowing us to monitor the output of the Dolby Atmos renderer. Simply tap on a source button to enable or disable each input. Double tap or tap and hold to bring up a list of the available source inputs for the control room. To toggle between summing and switching mode, access the options by tapping on the gear icon and choosing monitor sources. If this option is enabled, then summing mode is engaged. To enable all source inputs, press the All switch. If inter-cancel mode is enabled, sources can easily be switched. The Pro Tools Control monitoring page includes support for up to 3 separate sets of speakers, Main, Alt-1, and Alt-2. As we tap to switch between speaker sets, you can see the individual speaker channels change to reflect the user-assigned monitoring format. Our main speaker set is configured for 714 for mixing in Dolby Atmos. To expose the additional speakers beyond the 8 visible, simply swipe from right to left. Our second set of speakers, Alt-1, is a 5.1 set, and finally Alt-2, a 2.1 set, stereo with an optional subwoofer by taking advantage of the Matrix SPQ card. And similar to the source inputs, individual speakers can be soloed or muted by selecting some or switching from the options gear menu. Just below the speaker selects are the user-assigned fold-down and up-match presets, which can be engaged for the control room speakers. Monitors A through D are displayed in the column on the lower left-hand section of the interface. Within DADMAN, we've labeled our monitors to indicate we're using an 8-channel Dante-based headphone amp for the talent cues. Cue levels can easily be adjusted and optionally muted by tapping on a monitor block. To bring up a source selection list for the cues, simply tap on a cue letter and touch a path. Down on the right side of the interface, we have control of the talkback mic level, dim level, as well as the main control room attenuation. Touch the talkback block or the button to engage talkback. Tap and hold to open the talkback channel while held, or tap repeatedly for latched behavior. Finally, tapping on the main block will also engage the control room cut. The new monitoring page for Pro Tools Control provides a dedicated and intuitive interface for getting to the most important parameters of the Pro Tools Matrix control room. And by pairing Pro Tools Control with a hardware dock, users can benefit from an array of touch-sensitive encoders and dedicated switches.